2005, thieves pulled off one of the most elaborate bank heists in history by literally going underground. The Banco Central in Brazil was heavily guarded, multiple security systems, armed guards, reinforced vault doors. So the criminals got creative. They rented a landscaping company as cover, then spent 3 months digging a 656-foot tunnel under 2 city blocks. This wasn't some crude hole in the ground. They installed ventilation systems, electric lighting, even air conditioning. The crew worked in shifts around the clock. They had barbecue grills down there, playing cards for break time. It was like an underground headquarters. On a quiet weekend, they emerged directly inside the bank vault. $70 million in cash. Gone. Police discovered this sophisticated tunnel filled with equipment, but only $20 million was ever recovered. The mastermind was never identified despite a massive international investigation. Sometimes the best way around security isn't going through it, it's going under it.